Do you have a missing teeth? Hi, I'm Dr. Praneeth Kumar, orthodontist and smile designer. Here is a way of replacing the tooth with an implant without damaging the adjacent teeth. An young guy came with a missing tooth which was lost in an accident. We planned for an implant. We used 3-dimensional scan to assess the amount of bone and virtually plan the position of the implant according to the bone present. Second, the implant is placed inside the bone and the procedure is finished in less than an hour. Third, after the healing period, we take the measurements of the teeth for the final crown, including the shade matching. Fourth, once the permanent crown is ready, it is screw fitted and is considered as a stable one. And there it is, the final beautiful smile.